Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about getting that healthy, shiny, glossy hair look with the help of a leave-in hair treatment. And I believe that a leave-in hair treatment is the most important step in your hair care routine in order to get that healthy hair look. And if you miss this step or if you make a mistake in here, you will probably not get the look that you want. So today I'm going to make a completely honest, unsponsored review of 3 different hair leave-in treatments. These are the products that you put on your hair after washing it and before drying without rinsing. And these 3 products are from 3 different price ranges. This is going to be a mass market product, more of a premium product, and more of a luxurious, expensive product. Let's go. If you're new on this channel, my name is Anna, welcome. Here I share very easy to follow beauty routines and hair care tips on how to grow longer and healthier hair and so much more. And before we start, I just wanted to really ask you to push that like button. It really helps me grow my channel and grow my audience, and subscribe if you haven't yet if you want to watch more videos like this one. And I just wanted to remind you quickly that you are all wonderful just the way you are. And I'm so proud of you for showing up for yourself today. My hair has been quite long most of my life, but during the last year it has grown really fast, and it has grown longer than before. And I've already shared on my channel a story of my hair growth. I've already talked about how rosemary oil helped me and Excel by L'Oreal helped me. So you can find all of those hair videos on my channel. I will leave the links for you. And today we're going to talk about hair treatments. And as I said, I feel like a hair treatment is a product that you expect immediate results from. I use other products in my hair care routine like hair masks and hair serums and hair oils, but those products are the kind of products that I am really patient with, and I feel like I want to get results from those products over time. And from these products, I feel like I want to feel gorgeous and wonderful and healthy, shiny, glossy hair looking straight away. So these are the only 3 hair leave-in treatments that I have in my routine right now. I'm not using anything else, and we're going to start with the first one, which is going to be the least expensive, the mass market product. This is by Schwarzkopf, Gliss Hair Repair, Ultimate Repair, Express Repair Conditioner, Immediate, Easy, Combability, Resistance and Shine for heavily damaged dry hair, heat protection up to 230 degrees. This is a very cheap product. This bottle cost me about €5, and you can even get it, I think, cheaper. They very often have different promotions on this product in various drugstores. You can find this one in all of the drugstores and supermarkets that you can imagine. It's really easy to find it, and I will put on the screen the videos of how my hair looks on the days that I use these treatments. After washing my hair, I put the product on my hair and then I dry it with a hair dryer. I use a Zuvi Halo hair dryer, and then I film a video for you. I think it will be quite hard to analyze my hair from the videos. It's always hard to see those differences on the videos, but I still wanted to include them in order for you to maybe see and be able to understand what you like about some products and what you don't like about some products. And well, yesterday was the day that I used this one, and my hair just felt so silky smooth. It just felt amazing. I was so surprised by how amazing my hair felt after this product yesterday. It was shiny, healthy, it didn't feel heavy, it just felt amazing. It was a perfect hair day for me yesterday. I hope you can see it on the video. And this is the product that I've had in my life for 15 years already. It's been coming back in my hair care routine for 15 years, and I think it was my first ever leave-in hair treatment. I started using it back in school days, and I'm still loving it. The main reason I love it, I think, is because it is a spray. It's very easy to spray it all around your hair, to distribute it evenly around your hair, and you don't get the lumps of the product somewhere and then in some place you will have nothing. I just love sprays, and I think if you have really thin hair like mine, spray is a perfect option for you, because it's really easy to get your hair looking oily and too heavy if you put too much of a product in your hair, which is not a spray. So that was the first one, the cheapest one, Gliss, €5 per 200 milliliters. Moving on to the second product, and the second product is going to be from a mid price range. This is more of a premium product. The price of this bottle is €15. This is by Chi Cationic Hydration Interlink. This is Silk Infusion Silk Reconstructing Complex, made in the USA. You have 177 milliliters in this bottle, a little bit less than in Gliss, but this one you finish so much faster as it is spray, and this lasts you so much longer. For this product, for my length of hair, I need about 3 pea size amount of product on my hair. This product has a gel-like consistency. It is transparent, so I would usually put the product on my fingers, then put it on the ends of my hair, and then just rub it in my hair like that, and then I would just like comb it all around the hair to make sure I distribute it evenly, like I brush a lot like that. And that is it. And then I dry my hair. I don't usually put the product on like very wet hair straight out of the shower. I would wait just a little bit, and then I would put the product, and then I would dry my hair with a hair dryer. This product, I can't really say anything bad about. I think it really justifies the name 100%. It's called Silk Infusion, and I really get that silky hair feeling from this product. I feel like this one is giving me that luxury, expensive feeling about my hair the most out of these three products. And moving on to the most expensive product that I have here, it really feels luxurious. The price is quite high. This product costs €30, and you have 100 milliliters in this bottle, which is almost twice less than in the Chi or in the Gliss. And well, this product still deserves your attention, in my opinion. This is Olaplex number 6, Bond Smoother Leave-In Styling Treatment, adds moisture, strengthens and reduces frizz for up to 72 hours. What I want to mention is that you need twice less of this product than of this product. So with Olaplex, I would use just 1 to 2 pea-size amounts of product on my hair, and I would just really carefully put it on the very ends of my hair, and I would really not rub it like that too much, because this product feels so much heavier than the one by Chi, and I really don't want to put too much, and I would brush really a lot in order to distribute it evenly around my hair. But it's really easy to put too much. Be careful. I think if you have really like thin hair, maybe this product would not be a good fit for you. And I used it today, and I really wanted to analyze my feelings about this product in order to be ready for talking to you guys today. And I feel like I'm not in love with this product as much as I used to be during the last 2 years. I've had this product in my routine for 2 years right now, and at first I was so in love with it, and then I was using it less and less, and I feel like I'm not at the stage where my hair loves it at the moment. Right now, after winter, my hair is quite dry and it lacks that shiny, healthy look. And this product just doesn't give me that glossy, silky look. I feel like what it does, it repairs the split ends very well. And if you want your hair to get the glossy, shiny hair look, you need to get another product. In the end, I would like to say that I love all of these products, and I would love one more than the other, really depending on how my hair feels on that day. But if today I had to rank them, I think I would put Gliss by Schwarzkopf on number 1, just because I really feel like price and the quality of this product really make it so amazing. I love the spray, I love even distribution. This one I really love as well. This would get place number 2 for me. I just need to be careful not to put too much, but I get that silky beautiful hair look with this product. And Olaplex number 6 I would put on a 3rd place, but I still feel like this product could be amazing for some people, and it does a great job at making your hair ends appear healthier and more repaired. And that was it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I will see you very soon. Bye.